In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another account in Gmail. If you use more than one Gmail address for work, school, or personal messages, adding another account lets you move between them quickly without signing out. I'll guide you through the process in a clear, simple way so you know exactly what to look for and what to expect. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Make sure you're on your inbox so the standard Gmail interface is visible. Now, look at the very top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. If you haven't set a photo, it might show a colored circle with your first initial. Click that icon to open a small menu. A drop-down panel will appear with your current account at the top. In that panel, find the option labeled Add Account. Sometimes it may read Add Another Account, but it's the same thing. Click it. This tells Gmail you want to link an additional Google account to your current session so you can switch between them easily. You'll be prompted to enter your information. This usually starts with the email address of the account you want to add, followed by the password. Type the full address carefully and proceed to the password screen. If Google asks for any verification, such as a code or a prompt on your phone, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm it's really you. These checks are normal and help keep your account secure. After you enter your details and finish the sign-in, Gmail will add that account to your list. You won't need to repeat this process each time you want to use it. The account now lives alongside your existing one inside Gmail, ready whenever you are. To see that it worked, look back at your profile icon in the top right. If you click it again, you'll notice the newly added account appears in the same menu. From now on, that panel will show each account you've added, making it clear which inbox you're currently viewing. That's all there is to it. By starting in Gmail, clicking your profile icon, choosing Add Account, and entering your sign-in details, you've successfully added another Gmail account. This small setup step saves time and keeps your work and personal messages organized. If you're on a shared or public computer, remember to close your browser when you're done to protect your privacy. Otherwise, you're all set to enjoy a smoother email routine with multiple accounts at your fingertips.